Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, taking you on a 1-minute tour of the Porsche Museum in Stuttgart, Germany for inspiration, to go along with a reminder that you're invited to participate in observing my Maple Leaf Customs YouTube channel's 2nd anniversary and to celebrate all things Porsche. This is open to everybody worldwide, and the guidelines are simple. You choose any casting by any maker in any scale size. It just has to be a Porsche. Restore it, customize it, Gaslands it, or make it into a barn find. Do whatever you want with that car. The one and only unbendable rule is that everyone gives their build away when it's finished. You don't send it to me in Switzerland. You think of the local thrift shop or your church or the next door neighbor's little child. One car equals one smile. It's always true. Join in with these great builders and comment below if you'd like to participate this year. The upload date is March the 12th, and I'm also asking you to send me some glamour pics by that same time at the email address I've got listed in the description so that I can make a recap video including your custom. Use the hashtag MLCPorsche2 so we can find everything online. Thanks for visiting today. I wish you a great week. It's coffee time.